KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 26th of November. Cold air stays in place through tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow should be colder than today. We warm up late this week and maybe strong to severe storms on Saturday as the weekend begins. Let's check it out. There's the upper air look. Needless to say, we have a deep trough over the eastern half of the country. Pull down some pretty chilly air. There's the visible satellite view. Clouds over the Tennessee Valley, some clouds over southeast Alabama, most of the state in bright sunshine, but temperatures way below average. Average high today, 62. It's only 38 for Cullman and 39 for Haleyville and Decatur. How about that? And tomorrow we think will be colder than today. Around the region, Nashville 38, St. Louis 26, and up north temperatures are barely out of the single digits over parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. It's been a very cold November for them. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Winter storm warnings in effect for the northeast United States. That storm beginning to wind down. Down in southeast Alabama, got a freeze watch for places like Dothan, where some spots have yet to see a good freeze. They'll certainly see one, if not tomorrow morning, by Wednesday morning. Severe weather outlook for today and tonight. No severe storms expected. Maybe some thunder in advance of the front down over parts of the Florida Peninsula. But look at this now. This is day 5, which is Friday. Have a risk of severe storms defined from Dallas back over to Jackson and the Mississippi Delta. And no risk defined on day 6 yet, but certainly there's going to be some chance of strong to severe storms around here Saturday. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers along the upper part of the Pacific coast. And the east, a lot of rain and snow. Alabama's rain amounts around 2 inches. And again, this is valid through Monday morning of next week. Hurricane season winding down. The last day of the season is Friday. That is a cyclone in the Atlantic, but that is not a tropical cyclone. And things are quiet. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. The 12Z run valid tomorrow at noon. Big trough over the east, and going to be a cold day. A secondary surge of cold air coming in. A strong northwest wind of 10 to 20. The NAM is showing a high of only 42 at Birmingham. Many spots north of Birmingham will stay in the 30s all day. But at least the sky will be sunny. But those temperatures, again, way below average. We should be in the low 60s this time of the year based on the seasonal averages. Wednesday morning will be cold again. We go down in the mid-20s. The high is going to be right on top of us. We could see some teens for the colder valleys, but not as windy, and we should see a high close to 50 on Wednesday. Thursday, the winds veer into the south. The high should be around 60. Clouds will increase. There might be a shower late in the day, but I think many places will be dry. And then Friday, looks like a mostly cloudy day with a chance of a few scattered showers. And again, the warm-up continues. Will be close to 70 on Friday. And then Saturday, a fairly vigorous trough is just north of the state. That's going to spin up a deep surface low that's located south of Chicago. And again, in that configuration, there's going to be some risk of strong to severe storms, but there is no way to be specific. Let me show you the European at the same time. It's got the surface low near Des Moines. And again, with a chance of severe storms or strong storms down here, it's just too early to know at this point. We will be able to be much more specific once we get within about 48 to 72 hours by Wednesday, Thursday. But just be aware, a lot of things are happening outdoors, big Christmas events, that we could see some fairly rough weather. And we can be much more specific on the timing and the placement and the magnitude of this later in the week. Sunday, though, looks great. Sunday, everything's gone nice and mild. We'll be in the 60s. No cold air involved once that passes. And then Monday, a new trough to the west and moisture increases, and this is suggesting a chance of showers Monday and fairly mild. Maybe some thunder. We could be up there close to 70. Let's go out to the middle of next week. This is Wednesday the 6th of December. Very A deep long-wave trough over the central United States and a surface low developing over the Carolinas. And this is suggesting maybe rain changing to light flurries on the backside as cold air returns to the region. And again, that's Wednesday of next week, the 5th of December. We'll take it out the next day. This is Thursday the 6th. That's some pretty cold air coming down the pike. So we'll have that nice warm-up this weekend, but the cold air comes back with a vengeance over the latter half of next week. You can see that in the numbers reflected here off the GFS. Note tomorrow the high 42, but by Saturday the high around 70. We stay mild through Tuesday, then cold air returns. Wouldn't be shocked if it's colder than that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. I think all 3 days we'll see highs around here only in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.